Y'all, I want to go in here and see if I can prank Bay again. I done cooked some breakfast for us, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm finna get ready to fix our food, but I'm gonna call him and then I'm gonna let him know. I'm like, Bay, come on, fix your food for breakfast. Come on, fix your plate. Y'all, it's snowing outside again. It done slacked up now. This wind is high though. But anyway, so I'm finna prank him again, and tell him that to come fix his food. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix my food first, and then I'm gonna fix everything for myself. And we just gonna get his reaction on that and see what he has to say about it, y'all. So y'all, let's go get Bay.
Took out of daddy's house. She hurt. But she been pimped out since she been in foster care. So Libby trying to say that the doctor wrong. She's most times she spent in Brooklyn. It was in Brooklyn because they treat black kids. So let's go get the job. Oh, come baby, straight. Woo. I always trying to be fancy. I don't like washing dishes, man. Who like washing dishes? Damn.
What?
What the fuck? What mine's at?
I'm finna give you some dang. You know you don't even be eating that many.
What the fuck? Hold on. What the?
That's enough.
Hell no, hold on. What the?
That's enough for you.
Hey, come on now. You gotta be playing now.
Here. Babe, that is enough for you.
Honey.
What?
What mine's at?
I'm finna give you.
Now you know you ain't finna eat all that.
I am finna. I'm hungry. Sure.
Stop playing now. Come on now.
What? Give
me some.
I am.
Hold
You
on.
want some eggs?
You know I want some damn eggs.
Hold on. Move in.
Man, come on, man. Stop playing. What the fuck?
Wait a minute now. That's for me.
Want food?
Here. Oh, I forgot to give you a little bit.
A little bit?
You know you ain't gonna eat that many.
Who?
You.
I'm the one told you to cook breakfast.
I know, but I'm just saying. Wait, let me get my bacon. How many you want?
Don't forget to eat it now.
Here. Babe, I cooked that right there for me now. Here. That's all you need. A sausage. Alright.
Fuck, I look like a little fucking kid to you or some shit like that?
No, you don't be wanting that much though. Ain't that enough?
Hell no, this ain't shit. You done gave me this big ass bowl. It ain't shit in here.
Babe, that's enough for you. You know you don't be wanting, you be complaining all the time.
Come on now, come on.
What? You
gotta stop that shit now. It's not shit, you know.
That's enough for you?
No, give me shit now.
This is mine.
Oh, give me shit.
I don't know what you talking. You better fix you some more then, because I fixed exactly what I wanted.
What kind of juice I got? But give me shit now. Come on. Stop playing all you like. You love to play.
I ain't playing. I'm for real.
You want to give me stuff now?
You got your stuff.
I'm hungry too.
Babe, that's food right there. Every time I give you a lot, you always complaining.
Girl, I know you ain't gonna eat all that. Come on now.
I am though.
I can't even put no syrup. I ain't no need to get no syrup for this shit.
Get your dick beaters back.
Man, you ain't gave me shit over here, man.
That's all you need. You ain't gonna eat
this shit. I don't even want this shit.
Yeah, you ain't gonna eat that much anyway.
I don't want this shit. And then when you gonna talk about some salt?
You ain't gonna eat some salt.
That ain't shit to fucking eat.
That's more than enough.
I don't want that. You keep it.
You gonna eat it.
No.
Your eyes always bigger than your stomach.
That shit.
You want it. The beggars can't be choosy now.
No beggar.
You gotta get what you can get. Come on, get your food so we can eat.
I'm good. Nope.
Why you twitching your toes over here? You don't want none? Babe, come get your food now. Here.
No, she hasn't done anything.
Get your spoon. Huh? You got your juice ready? Here.
I don't want that. Get a shot of my face now.
Babe, that's enough food for you. Babe, it ain't like you be eating that much anyway.
Right.
You got bacon and sausage. Once you put it together, it's gonna add up and be
I
more.
don't want it.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Babe, it ain't nothing wrong with you. Babe, you gotta eat healthy.
Healthy, man. I don't want that shit.
Yeah.
I don't want that shit. I'm alright.
You sure you don't want none?
I don't want that.
Why you don't want none, honey?
Okay, get out my face.
Babe, you done made me get over here and slave on this stove for you.
You slave for your motherfucking self. Like, get the shit out my face.
I cook for you too.
You ain't cook shit for me.
I just ain't make you a lot of it because I ain't want you wasting food.
Yeah, I know that's right. All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit it right here just in case you think about it.
I don't want it. You don't think about it. Don't even put it over here with me.
Why, babe?
Just leave me alone.
Babe, you gotta eat.
I'm good. I'm gonna go back and watch my homegirl. Like, go on, leave me alone. Got my face. Play too much.
Babe. So you ain't gonna so you don't care that I got in this kitchen and cook for you?
Nope. I don't get too far for it.
Why?
Got my face.
At least I cooked something for you. That's the least I did.
You cook for your damn self. You ain't cook shit for me.
Why I ain't cook for you?
Okay,
I don't cook. Babe, you got yours 2 sausages.
Okay, I don't want
2
that
pieces
shit.
of bacon, eggs, and grits.
I don't want that shit.
Now you want a piece of toast to go with it?
Nah, I'm good.
To help fill you up or something?
I don't want none of it. Keep it to yourself.
So that's how you gonna do? Babe.
Call my motherfucking name.
Get the food. Don't just let the food just sit there. Nah, I'm gonna sit here and eat my food in peace.
Eat your food then, please.
I'm gonna eat my food in peace, and I want you to eat your food too, so we can sit here and eat together.
I want it.
Don't ask me to cook nothing else for you no more.
I promise I won't.
You ain't gonna eat now.
Did I just tell you no?
What you gonna eat then?
Yeah.
What you gonna eat then, babe?
I don't need nothing.
You don't need nothing.
No.
Why?
I just live off some juice. Let me be. My Capri Sun.
You look like you hungry though.
Oh, come on now. Stop damn bugging me.
I ain't bugging you.
Shit.
Get your plate. I guess you can have a little bit of mine.
I don't want that neither.
You don't want it?
No.
Well, don't say I ain't try.
I hope not.
I'm finna enjoy my food.
Well, enjoy it. I hope you choke too. I'm glad you think she's
All right, y'all. Y'all hit the like button. He over here in his feelings because he got him a little corner of food over here.
Ain't no fucking corner shit.
You do got a corner. At least I gave you something.
That shit enough to waste, girl.
What? Go on, say it. You ain't want to say it because you about to say pause. What you finna say? What you finna say, honey? What?
I don't want to say it. Enough.
It's enough. You just think it ain't enough. It's enough. All right, y'all. Hit the like button. What? He grabbing that bowl, y'all. I thought you didn't want none. I thought you didn't want. What you over here doing? I thought you ain't want none, honey. I thought you said you was full. I mean, you was gonna eat something else. Drink your juice. Babe, what you doing? Get out my shit now. So looking hungry to me.
The UPS store is
You got enough for some syrup now? Huh? Dang, do you got enough?
UPS store.
You sure steady digging. You gonna eat that much?
No extra cost. Exclusively at the UPS store.
Dang.